Alfie, what are you doing in here? This isn't Carfie Field, is it? The couple of naughty car keeps escaping into the birdseed mix. You couldn't find her last night and we're fairly sure she's in here somewhere. She'd have been hidden somewhere, wouldn't you? Come on, Titch, keep going. Mum's over there. Come on. Go on, Titch. Yes, there's Mummy. And you go. Keep moving. Come on. There you go. Back to Mummy. There you go. Yes, Mummy, your calf's there. And there's Saskia with her calf. Let's not get too close to Saskia.
A little bit more.
Now stay in there, Alfie.
Oh. What the hell is it? Hey, Sandy. You're changing colour, aren't you?
That's Sandy.
Oh, Sandy,
let's not get too close to Saskia. Let's not get too close to Saskia.
Let's not get too close to Saskia. No, that's a bad idea.
Saskia's a very protective mum.
Yeah, she's a little prayer.
Freya's
Freya's a nice name.